Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, looking pretty good as we finish out the week. If you like today, you're going to like tomorrow. A few more clouds to make the skies a little bit more interesting, and the humidity inching up just a bit, but a nice day ahead. Changes, though, on the way as we get into the weekend with tropical moisture coming out of the Gulf of Mexico, but most of it over the next week to 10 days is going to be heading into the eastern Gulf and over by Florida. We're going to talk more about that coming up, especially tonight at 10. Near term, though, let's take a look at that water vapor imagery, and you can see a dry stripe of air across Louisiana, allowing for full sunshine today. Not much cloud cover. We have a broad upper level trough right here as we look at the 500 millibar pattern, those upper level winds. And this upper level trough, or a weak area of low pressure aloft, is going to be pushing eastward and is going to draw more tropical moisture northward toward Florida over the next several days. But also some of this moisture is going to try to push toward Louisiana as we get into Saturday and Sunday. But rain chances, again, not too terribly high. Lots of sunshine today. Nary a cloud to be found, or at least a significant one across the Bayou State. So as we look outside, it's 85 degrees, dew point at 55, so humidity very comfortable at 36%. A little bit of a breeze. It was gusty earlier, but those winds dying down tonight. South at 9, and barometric pressure not overly strong, but holding on nice enough. Now, temperatures this morning, mid-60s. We got into the upper 80s, 88 the official high in Lafayette. That's the first time in a few days that we didn't see readings in the lower 90s, so we'll take that and run. Offshore winds coming up a little bit late this afternoon. It's going to get a little choppy, so keep that in mind. Meanwhile, in the tropics, we're on the Pacific side, so no reason for concern, but the first tropical depression of the Pacific Basin has formed. This is tropical depression number 1E, and it'll be dissipating more than likely by the weekend after Friday, more than likely. So no concerns, no land threat. Just a reminder that tropical season is not too far away. It officially begins May 15th in the eastern Pacific Basin, and in the Atlantic Basin just 15 days after that, 16 days on June 1st. So something not to look forward to. But right now our weather's good. High pressure pretty much in charge. We're going to see a few more clouds for tomorrow afternoon, and as we head into Saturday, we're hoping a little bit more in the way of tropical moisture moves in. That may manifest in a few widely scattered showers. Best rain chances may be over southeast Louisiana. We'll see, but we might see a late afternoon, early evening shower in Lafayette. And then much the same Sunday, more clouds, a little bit more in the way of humidity for sure. Our temperatures in the mid-80s. Your feels like heat index will be a little bit higher going into the weekend. As for a near-term issue, maybe a little light fog once again. We'll watch the model trends. They're trending away from any kind of thick fog, just light fog through first thing tomorrow morning. So we'll watch that going up through the 10 o'clock newscast tonight and update you then, and also of course online and on social media. Temperatures mid to upper 60s tomorrow morning, upper 80s again for the high tomorrow. Still comfortable humidity, but that heat index is going to be a few degrees warmer than the actual ambient temperature, so starting to feel a little bit more uncomfortable. So another pleasant evening tonight, 66 the low with some patchy fog early then by tomorrow morning, then a nice finish to the week. Few more clouds, but a nice day, and that humidity inching upward just a bit. Going into the weekend, there's your slight afternoon chance of a shower or thunder shower going into Saturday, and then the same for Sunday. But again, most of us won't see enough rain to even settle the dust. And then going into next week, hot temperatures pushing into the lower 90s, and we're going to get stuck in the lower 90s for the most part. Humidity is going to be up, and there'll be the risk of an afternoon shower or thunder shower. But right now, deepest moisture not coming this way, and we do need the rain now. I checked and I posted this on social media. We're not in any kind of a drought situation, but everybody knows the ground is pretty darn dry. I think we're heading in that direction unless we see a significant change.
Yeah, and you said hot.
Yes.
Extra.
Hot. Especially when you get in the car.
Oh, it's the worst.
It's terrible.
Thanks, Rob.